just want you to know that I just flew in not even 10 minutes ago. I just had to deal with a whole lot of bullshit. I want you to know that none of y'all up in this building have nothing to do with the attitude that I have right now. I'm not the most happiest man right now. You know, when your friends turn their back on you and say one thing and tell you they're gonna be here for you, and then when you get to that point, I just want all the motherfuckers that been with me, that ain't gonna ever be with me again, to know I did it for y'all. So when I'm not doing it for you no more, die and start